Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use the Quicken Classic. So, first thing that you are going to do here is you just have to open any of your web browser. Okay, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to type out right here, Quicken. Okay, that's right, and you'll be directed to this website. Now, right here, in order for you to create an account, you have to subscribe to a plan first. So you have to tap on the get started option. But of course, since we want to use the Quicken Classic, you have to go here to our products section. And at the right side, you have here the classic desktop. So we are going to tap on the CO Classic products. Okay, so you just have to find your fit among classic desktop plans. So Quicken Classic offers distinct desktop plans for every goal, so all part of one trusted system. So your data stored locally, available on Windows and Mac. Okay, so here first we have the classic business and personal. So since we cannot really, use the actual tool because of its price, but still we are going to discuss so that you'll have an idea if you're planning to use this tool. Okay, so first we have the classic business personal. So it is crystal clear money management for business, personal, and rental finances. So you can view your business, personal, and rental cash flows separately and in real time. So you can see projections so you can make informed choices. And then create and track branded invoices with billable hours, expenses, and receipts. So the only desktop solutions for managing all your finances all in one place. So make informed decisions with reports for profit and loss, tax schedule, spending, and investments. So track every business and personal transactions so you are ready at tax time and run built-in reports for schedules A to E. So this one is perfect for small business owners and people managing rental properties. So it costs $9.99 per month. Okay, but it is 16% off if this one is billed annually. So if you want to explore the features more, so you just have to tap on it. Okay, and then you have here now the full features of this classic business personal. Next is we have the Premier. So next level personal finance and investment tools. So the key features of the Premier plan. It's optimize your investment performance with professional grade performance tools and powerful analytics and built-in tax planning features. So you can view your entire portfolio in one place and track every type of asset, simplify tax season, and maximize efficiency with built-in tax reports. Get clear insights with comprehensive reports across spending, income, savings, investments, net worth, credit score, and taxes. So, model your long term financial path with the Lifetime Planner. Schedule and make payments easily with bill pay, access expert support whenever needed. And it's perfect for the serious investors and retirement planning maven. Now, this one is $7.99, so 5% off if billed annually. Next one is we have the deluxe. Okay, so for the deluxe plan, it's total financial control backed by a proven tool. So the key features of this one is connection to over 14,000 financial institutions, so you can see all your finances in one place. And budget with unlimited tags and categories. Create debt payment strategies with the tools and calculators. Pre-built reports to help monitor all your finances, model your path to retirement with their lifetime planner, and track all your investments from stocks to mutual funds and more. And of course, track your spending with the customizable categories, understand your complete net worth. So it's perfect for individuals and couples, best for traditional personal finance, and it only costs around $6.49 per month. So we have here the business and personal, premier, or deluxe. Okay, so here you'll be able to see the different features, and it will depends of what kind of plan do you need. Now let's go back to the classic business and personal and explore the features. Okay, so for this one, it has one clear view. Okay, organize business and personal finances, create a full picture of your financial life, and it's self employment ready. So, exact tools you need to measure self employment success without the confusing extras you don't, and optimize for taxes. So, maximize your deductions, save time and export data, access built in Schedule C and E tax reports. You can keep your cash flow on track business and personal income, and send invoices, write checks, and keep track of overall cash flow. Okay, so of course, for the property management, made simple. So you can track the income and expenses by property seamlessly. Organize your tenant documents and simplify your tax reporting from one desktop platform. And of course, get paid faster. So you can create custom invoices and get paid faster by enabling PayPal's link, track status to ensure on time payments. Next one is to generate business and tax reports. So get a bird's eye view of your finances with fully customizable reports and dashboards, tracks expenses, invoices, savings, and so much more. And of course, track every mile. So capture your business and personal mileage on the go. So Quicken will seamlessly keep track and automatically build a dashboard for quick tax deduction reporting and set the personal finances up for success. So with the award-winning Classic Premier built in, you can budget based on spending goals, access investing tools, and keep track of your net worth, all on one platform. Okay, so now let's go to the Premiere. Okay, let's explore the features. All right. So here you have full control over your finances. You can see your entire portfolio together, your investing Swiss Army knife, and better insights, better outcomes. So it has a flexible, accurate, complete. So stocks, ATFs, mutual funds, bonds, crypto, RSUs, precious metals, dividends, multi-currency, private equity, and more. So if you invest in it, you can track it. And it's a Wall Street level moves for your whole portfolio. So it gets your insight into performance with the IRR and ROI, dividend tracking, and tax aware of lot analysis. So you can use Morningstar's X-ray to evaluate allocations, fund ratings, risk, and fine tune your strategy and your whole portfolio optimized. And for every single milestone, if you're saving for retirement, Quicken Lifetime Planner gives you a better path forward. Now, if you want more information about this tool and you are ready to subscribe to a plan, then you just have to visit their website. So, that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.